Steve here with Summer Shine Supply. We're going to go over our polishing bundle and what you're going to get in the polishing bundle. The polishing bundle is ideal for somebody who has a lot of aluminum parts, wheels, tanks, if you're driving a truck, maybe you have a grill shell and things like that, and you've been running through the winter or it's been a year since you've polished up your wheels on your show car. Whatever it is, if you have metal that you need to polish up, this is a great bundle option. You're going to get our Strictly Metal Polish. This is our fast cut formula. So this is going to cut through that grime quick, and it's going to get you down to that nice clean aluminum. And then you're going to get our Mista Spot. Now, Mista Spot is a finer abrasive. It's going to leave you with a higher luster than you will get with our Strictly Metal Polish. And it also has a crazy silica sealant package in it that is great for sealing that wheel up, sealing up that tank, whatever you're using. This is a great maintenance polish. If you want to polish once a month before you go to a car show, something like that, and need to get some water spots off, this works great for that. So Mista Spot Speed Polish for metals and Strictly Metal Polish are going to come in that kit. And you're also going to get a 10-pack of our premium terry towels. These are what we use in our shop every single day. I absolutely love them for polishing. They do a great job of breaking down the oxidation and getting through that so we can get down to that clean metal. And then also, once you lighten up pressure and you go to buff off with a clean towel or a clean side, the terry towel does a fantastic job of pulling that metal polish back out of that aluminum so you're not left with any residue behind and also not left with heavy scratching or anything like that. So this is the polishing bundle. I hope this helps. If you have any questions, check out our information at the bottom of our website. There's our contact info. You can get a hold of us there. If you're seeing this on social media, you can go in the comments section and I will try to reply with a reply video as soon as possible. Thanks for watching, and as always, stay grinded.